Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Fields of Mistria keeps crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the multiple methods to fix this problem. You just need to apply them one by one. Guys, why this game crashes? Because the lot of resources running on your PC cause your game crashes. So you just need to restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed definitely. And guys, this is the first solution. Sometimes it does not work. Then right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager, go to the startup apps on the top, and here you will see all the startup application. Whenever you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, cause the lot of CPU usage, RAM usage, or the lot of bandwidth usage. So you just need to right click on the all application and disable these one by one. Once you disable all of the application, now the next step is you can open up the Steam, click on the game which is the Fields of Mysteria. Unfortunately, I don't have the game. So once you click on the game, now click on the gear icon here you are seeing. Now go to the game properties, and now here click on the install files. Now click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files. Then guys, you just need to restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then we are going to set the high performance power plan that will fix our problem. Go to the Windows setup at the control panel, and on the view bar you can select it to the large icons. Here you will see the power option, click on that, and on the left hand side you will see the create a power plan option. So once you click on that, here you will see the three options. So you can select the high performance, then click on the next option, and then just simply create this power plan. And once you created the high performance power plan, now we are going to increase our RAM. Our disk space is used instead of our RAM. Go to the Windows setup at the view advanced system setting and open it. And guys, here in the advanced tab you will see the setting option. Just click on that. Now go to the advanced tab, and here click on the change option. Now uncheck this box of the automatically manage paging file size and select the C where your operating system is installed. Then select the custom size, go to the Windows side tab with the calculator and open it. And now guys, we are going to calculate the memory which we are going to put in the initial size or the maximum size. So this memory is used instead of our RAM whenever our game need more RAM, and this memory is used instead of our RAM. If you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value which is the 1024, and just type this value in the initial size, and then you can multiply this value with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Now our RAM is increased, and if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply the 16 with the 1024 and type this value in the initial size, and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. After that guys, just click on the set option, click on the OK, then just simply apply this, click on the OK. Now guys, we are going to increase our number of processors. That will fix our problem. Now guys, go to the Windows Edge, and you can type here the system configuration, and this setting will show on the top just like so. Just click on that, and over here click on the boot option on the second, click on the advanced option. Now here you'll see the number of processor on the top. Just check this box and select here the maximum. Now here you will see the 8 or the 16 or the 32. Just select the maximum, click on the apply, click on the OK. Then after all of the settings, just restart your PC, and after the fresh restart, your problem is definitely fixed. And I hope guys your crashing problem with the game is fixed, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.